In this tutorial I will show you how to change location on Snapchat map. First of all, tap to open Snapchat app. If you open the map, there is no option to change the location directly from here. So to change your Snapchat location, you need to install a third-party app. You need to open up the Play Store and search here Fake Map Location. Choose one app from here and install it. This app will help you hide your original location by showing fake location. So this is the only way to change Snapchat location.